Good afternoon, folks. Look at this. As you can see, I am back up at the new HACKETTS Hotel, where demolition on the fire damaged building is progressing greatly. As you can see, all that middle section has now gone. And they're separating the wood and the metal, the bricks, recycling and put lots of rubbish. So you can see now, they're right to the back of the building there. Of course, when they get to this line over here where it joins the other hotel, it's an unused hotel at the minute, when they actually reach that edge that it joins the two buildings, the final bits of brickwork probably have to come down by hand. This one's not in service, but look at it, how cool. Look at this, guys. Such a shame when a building has to be brought down like this because of a major fire. And I saw a police post from yesterday that two young lads, one 18-year-old and a 16-year-old, had been arrested in connection with this fire. Wow, look at this now, guys. Wow, look at that. I thought I was going to miss it all again today because everything seemed to stop after yesterday's little gas. Whoa, look at that. How cool's that? Wow. Look how easily that machine is just pulling that wall apart. But can you imagine the heat that was in that blaze and the amount of water they've had to pour all over this building to actually get it cool enough to demolish? Look at this. And there goes the walk on the wild side. We're going to head up and get a bit closer in a minute as well. But look at this. So I'm just taking advantage of this angle at the moment because you can see that quite nicely there. Wow. It's bringing it down with ease, isn't it? So let's see what we can see. Look at this. Excuse me. I've just been talking to one of my subscribers, well, two actually, Joanne from Cyril and Joanne, and Graham Rigg. So very nice to meet them for the first time. It's always good when you meet up with someone. Unexpected meetups, but it's always very, very good. So it's lovely to actually put faces to names. Yeah, look, you can see where they're pulling there now. There's one of the floors. Look at this. How cool is this looking? It's just fascinating watching a demolition. I'm sorry, but it is. I know I'm like one of these weird girls, but you know, I like it. It's like I like playing with car engines and things. Sorry, but that's how it is. That's me. Oh, look at this bit. Let's move around here to a hole in the fence so I can get a better angle on it for you. Oh, look at that. It's going, it's going, it's going. Yay, there you go. Wow, look at that. We can't resist a demolition site, can we not, here in Blackpool? And sometimes we get plenty of opportunity with projects going on, of new builds and the odd fire. We get plenty of opportunity. Oh, that's going to come. Look at that there. It's a fire escape from at the back. You see this now? Watch. It's just going to pull that. Yep, there it goes. Wow. Now that was a drop and a half, wasn't it, guys? How cool was that to see? Right, okay, so I'm back. So excuse me, I had a major coughing session then, as I have a chest infection. So, what we were saying, I don't know, I forgot now. Oh yeah, something about we all love a demolition. And we were just watching, right, the big one's doing all the heavy work, that was it. And pulling everything down, and the little one is doing all the collecting for the recycling. So he's sifting through it all, picking bits of metal out, bits of wire, anything usable, and anything that's not usable are just going to go into the skips to be got rid of. Now I'm actually away for most of the weekend, so including Monday. So probably by the time I get back here, this will be gone. At least it'll be on the ground, and the road will be open. So this could be the last chance I get to film here. So, but it's been a good afternoon. And over there is the lovely Jane, Visit Fylde Coast. So it's been good to bump into her and have a catch up as well. Had a catch up with a walk on the wild side. And JP. So yeah, if you enjoy what I do, please hit like, subscribe, share, I'm going to call this video finished for today. And as I'm away for the weekend, it'll probably be dropped by the time I get back. So until the next one, catch you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.